quiet village somewhere in Europe, there is an old legend passed down for generations. A legend about the lost bell tower, a tower that can appear and disappear whenever it wants. Long ago, hundreds of years in the past, the bell tower stood proudly in the center of the village. Every morning, its gentle chime woke the people, bringing peace to their homes. But one night, a terrible storm came. Lightning tore through the sky, the wind roared like a beast. And when morning arrived, the bell tower has gone, completely gone without a single trace. After that day, stranger stories began to spread. Sometimes, in the middle of the night, people heard a distant bell ringing for the hill. Even though there was no tower there, some claim they saw the shape of tower hidden behind the fog, only to vanish the moment they got closer. The most famous story comes from a traveler. He said that while he was lost in the forest, he heard the bell loud and clear, as if it was calling him. He followed the sound, and there it was, the tower standing tall under the moonlight. Its bell was swinging, even though there was no one and no one else around. And when he blinked, the tower had disappeared. Only the echo of the bell remained, finding like a forgotten memory. According to the legend, the tower only appeared to people or who need guidance, as a bell is not a warning but a sign. So, if one night you're walking alone and you hear soft bell ringing in the distance, don't be afraid. Maybe it's just the lost bell tower showing you the way home.